Ever found yourself needing Revolut support but wanting to keep things on the down low? Landing assistance from Revolut anonymously is a bit like solving a financial puzzle, but totally doable. First, open your Revolut app and get ready to log in with your credentials. Once you're in, the magic begins in your account information. This is your starting point to everything else. Many people overlook the basic navigation icons, but you will need these. Usually, you can find the support or help section icon. It often looks like a question mark or a chat bubble. Tap on it and that is where you will be able to start your session. Within the support section, begin by checking the fact files. This could answer your questions. If nothing here can soothe your woes, keep moving. You can potentially find a contact form. The contact form is your key to getting in touch with Revolut support directly. Look for options like chat or contact us. Remember, anonymity is tricky, as you may have to log in before messaging. Fill out the form concisely, explaining your issue. Be as clear as possible. The support team won't know your identity, but they need information to help you immediately. You've got this, but maybe be aware of the process.